Welcome to GB Enjoying Nature, where everybody life becomes an adventure. From casting a line of the water to the harvesting in the garden, we share some simple joys and practical ways to enjoy the outdoors. On our channel, you'll find fishing trips and fish catches local travel and hidden town games or gyms, metal detecting finds and treasure hunts, gardening project and harvest, simple let's proceed cooking for two, honest outdoor products, where you came from. If you enjoy fresh air, natural, where you came from? Where you came from, GB? Will enjoy fresh air, real red and down to earth adventure. Subscribers and joins us Jin and Song as a fish explorer.